Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, math teacher, and now we are on a channel Think Math with Shailesh. In this channel, today's we will going to learn the chapter set. In chapter set, this video deals with the basic ideas and membership concept of the set. To make the questions easy, I have used the picturization method. I have correlated all the statement with the real pictures or the virtual pictures of the members of those set. So if you want to take the full advantage of this video, then you must see my first earlier activity video regarding set. So get ready to learn the set basic idea and membership.
Dear student, it is given that the set A is odd number less than 19. So we know odd number start from 1 and move as 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Odd number are those number which are not divisible by 2. So firstly I will write this set in the roster form. So set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Now as we see that it is a given condition that the set is less than equal to 19, so we will move up to 19 only. Now the question is, insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the blank spaces. Now you will have to see that 4 is there in this set or not. You see, you will not find 4 in this set, so 4 does not belong to A. Okay. Now you may see 2 is there in the set. No, 2 is a even number and this is the set of odd numbers. Therefore this also does not belong to the set A. Now 7 is an odd number and you can see 7 is there. Therefore 7 is the member of this set, so 7 belongs to A. Now 9 you can see 9 is an odd number, so 9 belongs to this set A. 9 belongs to this set A. Now 13 is there. Yes, 13 is there. Therefore this also belongs to the set A. Now 19 is also there, so you may say that 19 belongs to A. So in this, student, we come to know that which set is belonging or which set is not belonging to the given set.
Dear student, in this video, the given statement is we have to write this sentence in set language using the proper symbol belongs to or not belongs to. So, the first sentence is India is not a member of the set of continents. So, in order to answer this question, we must have the knowledge of continents, that how many continents are in our world and India is a part of those or not. Okay, so let us see the continents. Okay, now students, there is a picture of continents before you. You can see that one is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and the last one is Antarctica. Okay, so 7 continents are there in the world, but you will see India's name is not there. Okay, so India is not the member of the set of continents. Okay, you will not see India in these 7 ones. The first is Antarctica, after that Australia, there is Asia, Europe, Africa, South America and North America. So India is not there. So I have written all the names and make the set of the continents in the set builder form. Here India is not in this selection. So I will write India does not belong to the set of continents. Now 32 is not the member of the set of multiples of 3. Now what are the multiples of 3? I will start the multiple of 3. First one is 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and so on. Here you will see that 32 is not the member of the multiples of 3. Therefore we can write this does not belong to. Now you will see this statement. D is the member of the set of consonant. Now firstly I will show you the vowels and consonant. So students, you can see the picture of vowels and the this is the chart that is of vowels and the consonant. Here you can see that D is the member of the set of consonant. Here the D is there, so D is the consonant. So firstly you can see from near that these are the consonants and these are the vowels of the English alphabet. Okay. Now I will write the members, the set of consonants. So to write the set of consonant, I will write all the members in the set. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J. So you can see what I am writing. So the set of consonant is B, C, D, F. Student, I am writing all these from this picture. F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now the set is closed. Okay, this is the set of consonant and D is there. So D belongs to this set. Okay student, now this is completed. So you can see in this way we have solved this question. Now 2 is a member of the set of first 5 counting number. Now which are the first 5 counting number? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 is the member. 2 is a member of this set? Yes, so 2 belongs to this set. This is the answer. So students, in this way you have learned how we have solved all these statements and clear the concept of belongingness and non-belongingness.